recycled water. It says right there, 100% recycled. Right there, that's junk water. Fred forced me to drink that in the desert today. What'd you do, Fred?
What did I do? What's this hand? There's a bullet on the back of that.
Fred hurt himself. He touched a Harley Davidson road shirt and hurt himself. It was probably this one right here, I bet. Was it this one right here?
The right one.
Yeah.
Right hand pushing on the bike.
There he goes, right there. So, where is your warning label about these are dangerous to your health?
It's some on the front that are pretty dangerous too.
These are tools? Oh, good. This thing go up in the air?
Sure.
Okay, we put a couple straps up there to keep it from flopping over. It's always a good idea to do more than just a wheel cock. Yeah, give me an inch of air. I need an inch of air under there. White phone. Another wrench for that? So using a high-end jack right there. We pay for that. It is a car jack. So he's got the motorcycle one over here, and it's such good quality that we're not going to use it.
Yeah, I'll use it if you don't know.
Spend the money, buy the K&L. They're 350 bucks, but they're worth it. They work every time. The tire's kind of flat too. So once you get the bike in the air, you slide it over a little bit. There we go. That squares the bike up. So you got to get this wheels in the same offset on the rack. I said an inch, not 5. All the oil's going to drain out of the motor now. Jeez.
Move it down?
Let me get some air in the tire. That's all right. Brakes dragging. See, you got your valve stem cover on there, keeping the dirt out of there. It's good. Where's that one at? These are dangerous. Here's the other one over here. Can actually get to it. What are you doing? You playing with stuff? Oh, you got a Napa oil filter on this thing. All right. Blue.
Napa.
Look at this fancy.
One of the
crap.
best.
Damn, surprised that didn't fall off the bike. Where's the air hose at? Air chuck. Air nozzle.
Air nozzle?
Well, there's the problem why it's squeaking, Fred.
It appears you need some adjustment on your belt.
Appears to be slightly extended on the clearances. How much air was in there?
Much.
Killer garments over there. Look at those 2 rats on the floor going after it. How much you put in there?
I'll take that.
Must be a heavy
Sit in the
bike.
captain's chair here.
The light went off. That's the videographer chair.
Good chair.
Fred, if you're sitting in a chair, you're still going to film your feet.
Well, yeah, my safety shoes, right?
What was in this one?
Nothing.
Zero. We had 0.
That's 0.
Is that what a bike is hard to push? That's why Fred got injured. What you put in the front?
We're about 32.
No. You always put more in the front than the back. Always. So you got 35 in the back, you put 36 or 7 in the front. It's always a starting point. Always more than the back. What is all this garbage?
I think that was the tuner we had on.
That's a tuner?
I think it's part of the tuner.
It's not red. How can it be a tuner? That'd be go fast junk. Well, there's your problem. Your battery's dead. Is this a car? Is this a car? It's got fuses on it. All this fuses crap. What a joke.
Hey!
What?
What are you 2 doing?
Tacking Fred's feet. I'm thinking your belt could be tightened up just a little.
Yeah, right.
Something loose in there too. I don't know what it is. Okay, what gear are you in? It's broken, won't go anymore. What happened?
All right.
Sparking plugs. What do we got in here? We have usable ones. That's what we got in here. There's one. I got extremely strong grip. Look at that. Okay. So, how do you check to see if the rod's bad when the motor's together?
Please tell us, because I have no idea.
I don't know if there's a way. All you can do is put a top dead center and go back and forth and see if it makes any noise, but the problem is if you got high gear, it's got so much backlash in it, it's hard to tell. But. So where's your Phillips screwdriver? Let's stick one in here and see where we're at top dead center and see if we can feel anything that feels not stock. It'd have to be really, really bad to feel it. Is that Phillips? Okay, we are not at top dead center. Slow, slow, slow.
You got a little bit of play in that belt too.
Oh, oops. A little bit.
Too far? Okay, go.
Okay, go back. Just go bump, bump, bump with it. Go higher. I gotta be up where I hold the piston. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, just bump back and forth. I'm trying to feel clearance. I'm not really hearing or feeling anything. Okay, let's do this cylinder. Okay, it's coming up. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's go bump it a little bit. Let me see if I can feel anything. Seems pretty linear. I don't feel anything slopping back and forth. So I'm guessing the connecting rod bearings are still in there somewhere. So I'm still going with the crank. It's probably still good. You put an indicator on it was true, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so usually cranks when they're true are still good. All right, let's get that off. See what we got in there. I'd say lose the air cleaner cover. This has some kind of a backing plate on the bike. There's a lot of open gap in there for being in stock, but it might be, I don't know. If you don't inject the bike, they're different than carbonated bikes. Carbonated bikes have a plastic backing plate. When they're aluminum, they're aftermarket, but this one might be stock, who knows. There's junk in the way. Head knockers. What year, in 04 you said?
04. 80 inch.
88 inch.
80.
Nope. It's either 88 or 97 or 96. What are they? 96.
We looked it up. Remember?
Yeah, it's 88. It's got an oil leak. Put that towel on there. Okay, I'll put that somewhere out of the way where Fred doesn't step on it. Well, there's your push rod. Your push rods are in the wrong spot. That could be a problem.
Yeah.
That's an X wedge. Didn't tell me you had an S&S motor in here. You got hanging lifters too. Like hanging chads, but different. What do you think, Fred?
Let me take a look.
What do you think's wrong with this motor?
It's missing some parts. It's sort of like, these aren't supposed to be like
Appears to be
down.
some valve clearance issues with the push rods.
These aren't supposed to be down here, they're supposed to be up here.
Oh, is that the problem? Oh, okay.
Where's the hell the damn, where are the lifters? Why are they back here?
There you go. Sound like they're working to me. Sound good.
Good lifters.
Got lifters. You got oily, didn't you? The light sucks up. It's like my shop. The light sucks everywhere. What are you looking for over there?
We take that air cleaner off.
Oh. Fred, is that a stock air cleaner on there?
Yep.
Why are you making this difficult? Yeah, you just... What? Fred, tell him how to do it. Show him how to do it.
It's
Did you buy adjustable push rods or are we using stock ones?
Stock.
Okay, we got 4 rocker boxes. So we need 7/16 Allen. Or not Allen, but hex head. And looks like we need some butt heads, so that's under 3/16, whatever those are. See what, how air injectors look like, how dirty it is.
Like your tools have never been taken apart.
So do we clean the rat turds up now or later? Just a rat motor. No, it's a 7/16 hex, Fred. It's not an Allen, it's a hex. Okay, this looks like it's disconnected. The bike doesn't start without this being in here. Gotta put that in and make it start. What else is missing? What's this? Oh, I found your exhaust leak. That's supposed to be full circle, in case you didn't know.
Are we taking the valve covers off now or what?
To use the stock push rod, you have to do rock lines.
What's that?
You're making noise over there.
Say that again?
We have to pull the covers off to get the rocker stands loose so they lift up.
We need to take the tank off then.
No, we just have to loosen up the tank and put a 2x4 under here and jack it up.
Okay, what's the difference? We don't have to take the tank off. We have to get the tank out of the way. Is that a better statement?
Yes, we have to move it slightly. Only in the back, not the front. So you loosen these up, which looks like probably it looks like a 9/16.
Or a hex head.
Well, I use, that could be a star, but I don't use stars, I use hex tools. Where's the box of parts we're gonna use? Where's the box of parts? Hidden? Okay, you got a short 2x4 around here? Perfect. So just put that on the back of the tank. Put the board like this on the tank. Go straight in with it straight up and down. So like this. If you use the air cleaner as a bucket, it scratches it. I don't know what that
This is exhaust shit.
is. Hope looks good.
Where are you putting your,
Cam plate's still good, it's not scored up. Oil pump still looks like it's good. Why'd you replace it? There's nothing wrong with this oil pump. Could use it. We're gonna put a good one in it though. Cam plate's fine. So when you have low oil pressure in a road turd, a lot of times the check valve is stuck in here, so you gotta pull this roll pin out, pull out the plunger, clean it, and put it back together. So we'll check that we make sure it's got oil pressure. Whenever you get a lot of shrapnel in the motor, you want to always check that to make sure it's good. This motor doesn't look like it's got much wrong with it. The cranks now looks good too, but whoop, stand on a dog. There's the cranks now too. Oh, this thing's like brand new in here. This got 50,000 miles on it. Wasn't driven very hard, or ridden. Crank snout's pretty smooth. There's part of a lift. Got some foreign material in here. What's that?
that looks like part of the,
Chain shoe maybe? I found your missing chain shoe. I think his oil pump's fine. Save money. We don't need it.
want to get this out of the way or not?
Yeah, well, we need a little Allen for that.
Yeah,
You got the Allens? Good. One of those 30-second numbers. Four D twin cam.
that's not the right
4
one.
D cam.
4D cam?
4D cam.
Does that make any sense?
This is almost like clean. See, look at it, it's pretty clean.
Good? All right.
A new air filter wouldn't hurt. Maybe we'll clean it. Think we should clean it?
It might need a little bit of, got a little dirt.
Well, that's one way of fattening the motor up is having some air restriction.
Yeah, it needs some,
All right, we'll be back.